say when it hits you, you don't mind, because when it hurts you, you feel alive. Oh no, is that what it is? Red light, gray morning, you stumble out of a hole in the ground, a vampire or a victim. It depends on who's around. You used to stand to watch the adverts. You could lip sync to the talk shows. And if you look through me. And when you talk at me. And when I touch you, you don't feel anything. If I could stay, then the night wouldn't give you up. Still, and the day wouldn't keep its trust. Still, and the night wouldn't be enough. Far away, so close, up with the static and the radio, with satellite television. You can go anywhere. Miami, New Orleans, London, Belfast, and Berlin. And if you listen, I can call. And if you jump, you just might fall. And if you shout, I'll only hear you. If I could stay, then the night wouldn't give you up. Still, then the day would keep its trust. Still, with the demons you drown. Still, with the spirit that I found. Stay, the night would be Three o'clock in the morning, it's quiet, there's no one around, just the band and the cloud as an angel runs to ground. Just the band and the clatter as an angel